Okay. Well, do you have a job?
I do.
What's your job?
My job is to work at home.
Oh, that's a cool job. What do you want to be when you get done having babies? What's your job then?
My job is a cowgirl. My job is to be a cowgirl.
Oh, that's going to be exciting. Wow.
And I'm still a mom when I'm a cowgirl.
Of course. Yeah, once a mom, always a mom. And then what else?
I want to be a ballerina.
Oh, after
I'm still a mom.
Still a mom. Yep. And then what else?
I want to be a baker.
A baker?
And then I'm still a mom.
Still a mom. And then what else?
I want to be a doctor.
Wow.
I'm still a mom.
Yes, absolutely. And then?
I'm going to be a school driver. I'm still a mom.
Wow. And then what?
That's it.
And that's it.
And I'm a mom all over again.
Oh, wow. You're busy. You're busy.
I am.
Yeah. Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Well, good. Well, I'm glad we had this little interview.
So we're going to go to the hospital.
Okay.
First, we're going to get...
It's perfect. Perfect. You look great. Good luck at the hospital.
You're coming too.
Oh, okay. Well, let's go then.